At number 1, we have the Aqua Flosser Pro. The Aqua Flosser Pro is the best water flosser you can buy on the market and offers a clinically proven solution for superior oral hygiene. This countertop water flosser features a large 20-ounce water reservoir, reducing the need for frequent refills. With 2 usage modes, clean and massage, and 10 adjustable water pressure levels, it provides versatile cleaning options for teeth and gums. The device comes with multiple attachments, including 2 micro jetstream nozzles, a tongue scraper, and a periodontal tip, catering to various oral care needs. Its 360-degree rotary tips are particularly effective for cleaning around braces and other dental work. The Aqua Flosser Pro boasts a sleek, compact design that complements modern bathrooms while remaining easy to use. Its performance promises healthier gums, fresher breath, and whiter teeth in as little as 2 weeks of regular use. The flosser's durability is supported by its clinical-grade construction, ensuring long-term reliability. So that sums up my top